can re-download it again or whatever, but man, that shit don't want to work, fam. It really don't want to work. So as of right now, we trapping off the on my little iPhone. We finna slide right now in the Chevy. Man, I gotta get that steering wheel put on. I gotta put that steering wheel on too. But like I said, right now we heading to the paint shop. Gonna get an update on Big Blue. Get an update and see what it looking like. And we finna get this one polished. Above. Cause it got, like I said, y'all, it got some swirls and shit in it and I don't like it. So they gonna have to buff these swirls and all that out. So that's the reason why we going back to the paint shop. I can't remember if I told y'all that a while back. But and I gotta have it back by the weekend because Monday or Tuesday I'm going to Baton Rouge to get the top put on. They should have the top together because he told me like the 6 or the 7. I think he said the 7. So he should have the top ready, and that way we can slide back on over there and let him go ahead and do the top, do those quarter pieces, and get the top mounted on like it need to be. And when I get over here, I'm gonna look in the trunk and make sure that the trim pieces in there too. But I gotta adjust these down front shock. Boy, this son of a bitch is bouncing. I ain't gonna hold you. Riding this son of a bitch about like riding. Sound like you're in a race car. Yeah, I gotta do some more adjusting on those shocks, man. One thing about these QA1 shocks, if you don't find that perfect setting on them, you gonna hate these bitches. You gonna feel like you riding on an iron boat. See, in the blue car in Ocean View, it rides smooth like we ride in a Cadillac. See, like right now, I gotta get these settings set just right. I gotta look back up the instructions on them because I don't remember how I did the double adjustment. Because on the back of the blue car is single adjustment, and on the front is double adjustment. But it's double adjustable all the way around on this car. So what I need to do is find the right set and get the right set and set on it, and we should be cooking with grease, man. It'll ride smooth just like Ocean View. That's how I want this car to ride too. So yeah, we on the move, y'all. We on the move. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut y'all back on, man, when I get over here to the shop. When I pull down at the shop over here, my partner's supposed to come pick me up. I'm over here, so I'm gonna drive this over here, and I'm gonna let him hear my blue car, cause he ain't heard it. He ain't heard the mufflers on that one versus hearing the mufflers on this one. Cause like I was telling him, this car way louder than Ocean View. So yeah, we finna slide over there, and I'm gonna let him hear the blue car and all that too. Hopefully they ain't got my shit in pieces. So I'm gonna cut y'all back on when we get over there to the shop. Alright? I made it over here now, y'all. We most definitely gotta get that buff on now. But she's sitting now. Let's put the speaker box and all that stuff in the trunk. We're gonna sit it down a little bit more. Suspension sitting how it's supposed to sit. Some bitch looking good. Tag out on that motherfucker. Look how I hit with that sun on there, y'all. Look how I hit with that sun on there. Ooh. Get that top on that next week. We're gonna be cooking with grease, baby. Get that top put on. We're gonna be cooking with grease. But yeah, I don't know if y'all can see it in that camera. It's like it swirls all the way down inside the car. We gotta get that shit buffed. I don't know if y'all can see it on the camera, but it's kind of like hazy. But for the most part, she's sitting now. Put that dang speaker box in the trunk. That boy cut a lot off of that piece too, boy. Y'all see all that cut right there? Cause those control arms in the stock position. That boy cut a pretty chunk off of there, but hey, it's all good. It's clearance right now. And with that rear end short an inch, you got major clearance up in here. Look, this son bitch you can drop it down about major tuck. Probably what I'm gonna do too when I put the speaker box in the trunk. When I put that speaker box in the trunk, we're gonna have that bit tucking. I'm talking about, I don't even want you to see the top of the tie. All I want you to be like, damn, that box Chevy eating the wheel. Bumper scrub in the ground, like my partner say. Yeah, man, these boys need to tighten up, man. They got dust all over my bitch.
Somebody drug her at Just Us Christmas Eve night, and she got in the parking lot in her car.
Yeah, we gotta get this lid painted, the bottom side of that hood. And this the part that was well, like the paint was cracking on the door. You can see they working on it right now. Trying to get that situated. So pretty much gonna touch that up too. Once we get that squared away, we back cooking with grease. The bottom side of this hood. The bottom side of this hood blue. Fix that. And then we're gonna get this lid blue. Get this lid the same color too. Put these two cold, little red caps back, close them back up. Cooking with grease. Shit, I'm waiting on my partner to pull up now so he can pick me up. So once he pick me up, I'm gonna let him hear Ocean View too, see what them MagnaFlows sound like compared to the Black Widow Angry Housewife. That's what's on here. So it's gonna be really like a comparison on how they sound. This car is ridiculously loud, no cap. So we already know what this sound like. I'm gonna crank this one up, let them hear how the MagnaFlow sounds smooth. But the thing about this bit with them cold plug, man, that cold start is trash. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I hate the cold start on this shit. Supercharged and all that, all good, but that cold start, bro, I'm gonna see if he can do something in the tune with that. Because that cold start, fam, you gotta hold that gas, you gotta play with it for a second and let it warm up, and then it'll run so it won't die out. I'm about sick of that shit. But yeah, I'm gonna dial Fraser pull up. We're gonna crank them both up and we're gonna hear them. And I'm gonna let y'all see what they sound like. I'm gonna holler back in a minute. Crank old baby girl up. This real quiet compared to that one.
Behind the white box man.
Yeah.
Behind.
Yeah, them some Magna flows on him. I mean, it still sound good. When you crank this son bitch up, you don't hear nothing no more. Huh? You don't even hear that car no more, really. Hell no.
I'll be in this.
Oh, I gotta give me a tune on that one first. I mean, that one to run, but it still needs the dyno tune on
I
it.
think I can take it.
I don't know. Motherfucker, he'll light these 28s up.
Ain't no problem right now.
I'm talking about light them up. Huh?
Last song?
Hey, I will burn a tire.
That motherfucker ain't no problem right now.
Yeah, hold it. Let me show you. They been to burn a tire.
That ain't no fly, ain't bullshit.
But on this one, right now, the way this one is tuned, it seems like this one will spin a lot faster than that one will. I'm talking about light them 28 up like regular tires. Yeah, this one got like 560 foot-pounds of torque. That motherfucker was snatched though. See, got the tires screeching. Left a little mark over here, y'all. We got the tires screeching. Y'all hear him, man. Y'all barely can hear old Ocean View over there, man.
Just can't keep up with that one.
man, yeah, they doing a flow. That's Buddy from YouTube.
Oh,
Yeah, Buddy from YouTube that watched my video. He got in touch with him. Yeah, they doing a whole what they doing flows and everything in it.
Yeah, we doing the flows, the wheel, back wheel, all that.
For this one. Craig ain't got no bottom excuses. Well, he does. He's gonna have to get under there and make sure. Cause
Oh shit, he don't put it
already
in.
Done it.
Yeah, we gonna.
we
get
still
in
gotta do
there,
the back and the
deadline
wheel
all
wells
that
and all
shit.
that.
Okay, so y'all replacing that piece too.
Yeah, but the
Yeah.
trunk's already done. You can go look at it. We're
Damn.
gonna get under this one too to make sure all the side, you know what I'm saying? Now that you mentioned that,
Yeah, you better make sure. Hey, Craig, your ass 5, boy. Your ass to the flow, Craig. See, he shaping it. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. He know what he doing, bro.
that's what he's doing. He just didn't get under.
He know what he doing.
He just needs to get under.
He forming it up right and everything.
Just think he caught this bitch just in time.
Yeah.
Pain in the ass when that shit right there go to right.
To my right up here in the corner.
Yeah, all in that trunk, all in here. That shit look damn good though.
At first, when he showed me the picture, I was like, boy, that car is to the flow. Then I got over here, it's like, it's really just the flow.
Mm-hmm.
We have to do the wheel wells, all this.
The flow, the bottom of the
Started on this one, but he still got a little ways to go on the wheel wells, and then that back floor underneath the butt part, that main floor didn't come with that part, so we're gonna have to, metal it in.
It's a full flow pan.
Yeah,
yeah.
see where it stops?
Yeah.
It didn't come
It
all the
don't,
way.
yeah, I don't think it come, yeah, I don't think none of
we're
them
still gonna
come.
have to
Cut all
fix
that out.
All that.
Yeah.
But I think that seam sealed in anyway. That ain't welded in, is it?
No, it's welded and seam sealed.
Oh, it's welded
You
in.
just got to get on the bottom.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I see what he fitting in right here on this corner over here. Yeah, he got to tighten up now.
So I buy a rusty car, I know who to bring it to.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you know how to do it. I just got to check the flow.
I ain't gonna buy nothing. I don't wanna buy nothing rusty.
I ain't lying. Bro, he know what to do. I ain't gonna hold you. Cause listen, this quarter pounder had bro, the whole bottom of it was missing. Bro, no bullshit, bro. The whole bottom of this quarter pounder was missing, fam. You take this trim off, it wasn't nothing but a big ass hole. Bro, he redid all that and he cut it all the way up to here.
Yeah.
And seamed it all the way back in on both sides. Butt welded it on both sides. Everything is smooth, cool beans. This thing done came a long way though, for real.
It really has, man.
That quarter pounder, one of the bottom of them doors was rusty as hell.
I remember sitting right here with this car still yellow, fighting rust holes, sanding myself. So yeah, it came a long way.
Yeah, so what we gonna do is we gonna, yeah, we get him the, we got it right here where his ass needed it. Right here where he working at. I don't want to hear nothing. I'm gonna have to come back and find his ass. Now, Craig, look what you just did in the inside of there. And go and jack that car up and go up under there. Oh man, I forgot.
This video so he'll know.
Yeah, Craig, quit bullshitting now. Tighten up. I know he know how to get it right. He know what to do. But yeah, guys, man. Bring it back for some minor touch up. We're gonna get that final polish. I'm gonna come back and get it. And get the top put on. Then after I get the top put on, I'm gonna bring it back because I want them to go over the bottom of the car. They got the floor pans in good from the top, but from the bottom you can still see it. I don't want to see that. You got to get that right. So I ain't even showed y'all that, but it is what it is. We're gonna get that right too. And I had to crank Big Girl up and let Big Girl run for a minute. Big Girl ain't been ran in a minute. She still twerking and jerking and shitting and getting it now. But yeah, man, they gotta fix this spot that had my door. It was like a little crack. It was like right up in here where it was cracked and shit. It was like it was cracking, so they gonna fix that on my door. bottom of the hood, and that cover. Then we should be taking big girl on back to the crib. So we got both of them over here right now. And yeah. Supposed to be going to pick up some wheels today, man. Some 24. I lost all that footage on the motherfucking Cutlass. So I don't know, I might have to record that again.
I did that good.
Boy, that thing is,
Most touches.
that thing sitting like a gangster, boy.
I ain't lying. I like how it sits.
That bitch, boy,
Get it
tell you,
straight up.
you put that speaker box in the trunk, it's gonna drop down lower just like mine did. Cause that's why I stopped mine at right there. And I put that speaker box in the trunk. Put that big speaker box in the trunk with that weight, and then you put them 2 batteries in the trunk, you add all that weight, that bitch gonna drop on down. She got that little squat going on right now. It ain't a stupid squat, it's just a little squat. You know what I'm saying? But we got it back off in here. So shout out to partner, shout out to Buddy there, man. He came from up north. He watched the YouTube. Shout out to you, Buddy. Get in the comment section. Your Cutlass getting worked on, big dog. Man, they taking care of you too now. They done finished up. Almost finished up. For real, for real. They got the flows in. They working on the back piece here. And then the trunk. Then the wheel tubs. After that, shit, you gonna be cooking with grease, big dog. So, yeah. Man, we finna get on the move. Finna see what we finna go get. Now, Buddy them just called me about the wheel, so I'ma holler back at y'all in a few minutes.